This video gonna share with you that the stay experience at this Sheraton Hiroshima. I'm gonna share with you that the stay experience, the room, the facility, the benefits of the titanium gas, and then the stay review. So I have to check in at the club lounge at level 20. It will be just right over here. Over here to check in. So I'm gonna show you the stay experience in a bit. I would like to check in. Check-in is just right at this counter right over here. We are still waiting for the room, and then I'm going to show you what you can get for this club lounge for the all-day refreshment. They have juices and then white wine, scone, chocolate scone, and then the Nespresso coffee machines, red wine, popcorn, tart, chocolate donuts, cookie, and this is the club lounge. A little bit small. Hopefully that the happy hour will be great. Going to get my room ready in a bit, and then I booked the deluxe king room. The ladies that helped me to get a corner room, it was saying that actually it's a bigger room. As a welcome gift from the elite members, you can choose a 1000 points or the local sake or the hotel made cookies. So I think point will be the best option for me, and I can buy the sake somewhere around in this supermarket. This is the corner room. Each floor will have two. It's actually not bad. I'm going to show you the view first. Our room has a train station view and the mountain view over there. I'm not sure what is that silver top thing. So far the soundproof is really good. I don't hear any noise at all. And this is the room. Lovely to have a sofa over here, the working decks. The power plug is a Japanese local power plug. Then the booklet to share with you how to get online. Then so recently we'll have the window cleaning, keep the window curtain closed. At the room, usually Japan will have those room air filter and a humidifier, power plug with a USB port right over here. Is that really USB port? Oh, at the side. So this is a power plug, and then this is a USB port right at the side. Very rough. It's it's actually a twin room, and then they rush to combine it to a king room for me, so we can see that the blanket is a little bit odd. Then here's the bedside with the power plug, the steam ironing. No, the old school no, sorry, it's a steam ironing and the ironing board. The very large safe, two bathrobe, shoe horn and shoe brush, the wardrobe with this is a press for the pens. I have no idea how to operate that, and I also love they have this spray for the closet. They do provide 4 capsules of the Nespresso capsules, which is quite rare to have 4. Usually it's only 2. And then green tea, and then the Ceylon tea. I love this cup. It's beautiful. And then the fridge come with the Pepsi. Pepsi is chargeable. Each can will cost you 145 yen plus. Let's go to the bathroom. This is a very old school hair dryer. You'll take forever to dry your hair. Yeah. Then the body lotions. The amenity kits are like this. 2 bottles of drinking water. Soap bar and the skincare. I like this very much. Here is a bathtub with all the shampoo, hair conditioner, and body wash. Then followed by the toilet with the Japanese bidet, and the seat is warm. Let's check out this amenity together, see what is inside. It should be cleanser, makeup remover, toner, and moisturizer. I'm going to share with you that at this happy hour they do serve sparkling wine. This is soju, and then this is a sake, and a few different types of the juices. I just tried their soup is very nice, and this is it's a whiskey. I think it's from Scotland. Very interesting. And then there are some breads. The jams is right here. These are the dessert. The dessert looks very good. There's some like a cream thing, the cut fruits, and then the cake. Very interesting concept for the happy hour is the small selections, and also have some tea. The vegetable soup, I love it very much. Pasta, gyoza dumpling, fried dough, and I'm not sure what it is. I'm gonna give it a try later. And there's a balsamic vinegar, and then there are some little salad right over there. Looks very nice as well. And the cold cut. So this is the happy hour item. I consider I had a good sleep here. I think the blanket is a little bit rough, but the bedsheet is still soft. The soundproof is good. I think maybe around this area at late night there will be not much people, although this is a train station. Shower wise, I would say that the water pressure is okay. The hot water turned out fast enough. The room is not that dry. Even maybe I have my this humidifier, so it's like sleep quality wise, I think it's okay. Yeah, I slept until 8 something. Now let's go to have breakfast. This is what you can get for the breakfast right over here. They have the soup, the same with the club lounge, and then these are the salad. They have a lot of the homemade dressing. This one is really good. And the cold cut, the cheese, the ham. Oh, I have not tried the morning curry yet. I'm gonna try the curry in a bit, and then the fried egg, and the live station for the egg. So here's the pastry. Oh, I'm going to try that tomorrow. Then here's the cut fruits. I always love the Japanese pineapple. It's very nice. Then there's the yogurts. Over here, these are at the middle. These are the Japanese sections. They have the homemade tofu. This one, the texture is quite unique. Then they also have this white rice and the eel rice. Then the miso soup. And over here, these are the udon, like this. So you put the sauce right to the udon, and the mentaiko, the fish roll. Then the salmon, you can grill it to heat up for yourself. Then the miso and the pickle. So this is the breakfast. Okay, here is the breakfast. You got the rice, miso soup, and then bacon sausage. Very simple breakfast right over here. The main reason why I need breakfast here is just for the good coffee, and also some juices, milk, soya milk, and the toast. Here's a breakfast in the club lounge. There is the jacuzzi and the swimming pool. It's chargeable, so if you wish to use the swimming pool, you have to make the payment. And the rate is this one, 1,650 for the pool and jacuzzi, and then 500 is for the locker room and the sauna. At the happy hour, you can visit the Miyabite bar at level 7. If you don't wish to drinks, they do have a premium alcohol right over here as well, but I think I'll go back to the club lounge. Going to check out now. The stay here is just very average. I think maybe Hiroshima is a little bit boring to me. Nothing much special. I will say that if you need a bigger room, then Sheraton is not a bad choice, because the room that we got, it's actually quite spacious, and then it's very convenient. This in Hiroshima, this trip, I don't really walk much, because it's right underneath, it's just the train station and then bus interchange. I just take buses and tram to many places that I wanted to visit in Hiroshima. So yeah, it's just a very average stay in Hiroshima with Sheraton. Bye.